Before deciding on the Lenovo monitor, you'll want to stick around until the end to learn about some surprising drawbacks that could influence your purchase decision. The Lenovo features a modern, sleek design with ultra-thin bezels, providing a nearly borderless viewing experience. With a tilt adjustment range of -5 degrees to 22 degrees, you can customize the viewing angle to fit your seating position. However, it lacks height adjustment and a pivot function, which limits flexibility. The HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.2 connections ensure compatibility with most devices. But how does it compare in terms of ergonomics and connectivity options against other monitors in this category? Check the Amazon link in the video description for the latest deals. The 31.5-inch IPS panel of the Lenovo delivers stunning 4K UHD resolution, making it perfect for detailed tasks or enjoying high-definition movies. Its IPS technology ensures consistent viewing angles and accurate colors, with 99% sRGB coverage, making it particularly appealing for graphic designers and photographers. With a brightness of 350 candelas per square meter, the monitor remains clear and vibrant even in bright environments. However, the 60 Hz refresh rate might be limiting for gamers who prefer smoother visuals. On the other hand, its 4-millisecond response time helps reduce motion blur, making it suitable for casual gaming. How does this monitor compare to other 4K monitors with higher refresh rates? If you enjoy in-depth product reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. What are the strengths and weaknesses of this monitor? Cons: no height adjustment or pivot function, refresh rate limited to 60 Hz, no built-in speakers, limited gaming features. Pros: high 4K resolution for ultra-sharp visuals, IPS panel with 99% sRGB for precise color accuracy, modern sleek design with thin bezels, good brightness level of 350 candelas per square meter. The Lenovo stands out with its crisp 4K resolution, accurate color reproduction, and modern design. For users looking for a monitor for everyday tasks, media consumption, or creative work, it's a solid choice. However, gamers or users needing advanced ergonomic features may find its limited refresh rate and lack of height adjustment a downside. Check the Amazon link in the video description for the best deals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.